Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like the longest time ever. I think it's been like a year and a half now, I want to say. Maybe a little bit longer. But I'm super excited to announce that I'm making my comeback. So today I'm going to be filming an apartment tour for you guys. Woo! Yeah, I'm super excited for that. I posted a poll on my Instagram, I think it was like 2 days ago, asking if you guys wanted to see the apartment tour first or my beauty favorites. And the apartment tour won by a lot, let me tell you guys. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And then I also want to do a chit chat get ready with me so I can fill you guys in on everything that's happened in the past year and a half. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys are super excited, as I can't even talk. Oh my god. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this comeback because I am so ready. Go ahead and subscribe down below, and in the bottom box I'm gonna go ahead and leave some links to some stuff that I bought in my apartment in case you guys are interested, want to know where I bought it, so you guys can go buy it too. You never know, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the links down in the bottom bar. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is what we see as soon as we walk into my apartment. To the left, we have the kitchen. We have our sink here, and then that little like dish rack. I honestly don't like using the dishwasher. I just feel like it doesn't clean the dishes as well as if I were to hand wash them. We have these cute little like jars over here to put like lemonade, tea, whatever. We have our stove and our oven here. It's an electrical stove and I don't know how to feel about it yet. I was so used to gas stoves. But I mean, this one's okay. It works well, It does what it needs to do. And then we have our microwave over here. I have my Keurig, the blender, toaster. And then up here we use this as a pantry because we don't actually have a pantry. So we just use that. And on this side, we have our plates, our cups, just our dishes. And then on this side is my son's little cabinet. He has all of his Gerbers. He has some sippy cups, some bowls, some plates. We have his medicine in here. Just the baby stuff. And then over here, in this little room, we have our washer and our dryer. I'm not gonna open it up because it's kind of messy in there, but we have that in there. And then we have our fridge over here, and that is the entire kitchen. We actually really like that the appliances are black. Black is like our favorite color, so yeah, we like that. And then over here we have our living room area. So this is our living room. We have just some picture frames put up here, a lamp, our couches, and then over here we have our TV and our TV stand. I have the Kardashians on right now. Guys, if you guys know me, you guys know that I'm obsessed with the Kardashians. Like, I literally cannot live without them. They're my absolute faves. And then we have this little TV stand down here. This is actually super cool. This is actually a chimney, like a heater, I guess. So you can turn on, it has like lights that you can turn on just by themselves, or you can turn on like lights and the heater. Watch, let me show you guys. This is like the coolest thing ever. So we have just the lights there, and then you can also turn on the heat. And yeah, it'll heat up like in the winter when it's cold and stuff. But right now, we'll keep it off. And then on this side, my husband has his PS4, his controls up there. And then down here, he has half of this side is his games. And then over here is like movies and stuff that we have. And then over here, we have the DVR, whatever, like cable box thing. And then I have my record player. And on this side, we have some of my records. There's just like my little collection I have there. So then on this side, we have our dining room. This is our dining room table. We have a little like ottoman type of thing there. We haven't set it up yet. I think we might go return it because it doesn't match. And then here we have my son's walker, his little like bouncer type of thing, and his high chair. And then over here we have an orchid. This is my favorite type of flower ever. We have it in like this cute little cat vase that I picked out. And yeah. And then my son's little picture there. We have this candle here. Guys, this candle is like the freaking best. It smells so good. We got this at Target. It's honestly my favorite thing ever. So that is the complete dining room kitchen situation. And then over here we have our balcony. I won't take you guys outside because it's kind of windy, but yeah, we have a little balcony out there, and then another storage room right over there. And then we have this Avengers poster right here. We want to put more stuff up here. We just have to buy frames and stuff. We haven't done that yet, but we will. And then right over here, this is my son's room. Guys, it's the cutest thing ever. So we have his crib over here, a little bouncer, rocking chair, a stuffed animal. That's like a little beanbag chair that he can sit on. And then he has a ball pit, his little foam mats. He has the cutest little tent ever. It has a little raccoon in there. And then on this side, we just have some more toys. In these drawers, he has some pants in there. And then in this one is all of his like bath towels and stuff like that. And then over here, we have his closet. And in here, he has his little car. These baskets are full of toys. This whole bottom part is actually full of toys. And then he just has his clothes hung up here. We have diapers, pajamas, socks, chupones in here. And then we have blankets up here. Up here we have like little pillows for him to sleep on and stuff. And yeah, we have, guys, this is honestly the coolest thing ever. To all my moms out there, this is a little shopping cart cover up. You put this over the shopping cart, and it's so like they don't get no, I guess like germs and stuff, but you know how the shopping carts are super dirty. It's just like to protect them and stuff. So we have that. We have this kangaroo also, which I don't think he fits in it anymore because he's too big for that now. But yeah, this is his closet. And then we have his restroom right over here. Wait, I didn't even show you guys the cutest part. Look at his covers. His little comforter is so cute. It's like a little like fox, like a forest type of theme. So yeah, that's my favorite. And then, like I said, over here we have his restroom. Let me show you guys. We have a little diaper pail thing. This comes in handy. We throw all of his dirty diapers in there. It doesn't stink up the house. Super like necessary if you guys have a baby. We have just a little towel. And then over here we have another towel, wipes, his little raccoon soap dispenser. And then we have some space down here. Down here we just have like his shampoos, lotions, stuff like that. Toilet paper, you know, the basic stuff. Hi guys. And then over here, This is his little shower curtain. We stayed within the whole like forest type theme. So we have that, and then his little fox shower mat. So yeah, this is his restroom. And then the cool thing is that this leads us to the kitchen. So it's just kind of like a big giant circle, which is super cool. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. We have this little like family little, I don't know what you would call it. It's just like something we have up here, but we hang like our keys up there, like any like reminders that we have to do, stuff like that. I guess it's like a little organizer that we have. And yeah, so now I'm gonna take you guys to our bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is our room. We just have our little comforters, my purse up there, another orchid. This one's fake, but as you can see, orchids are like my favorite plant ever. I have my laptop, my Polaroid camera, just have some drawers. We have this mirror over here. And yeah, this is our view of the outside. Super pretty. And then the TV that we have in the living room, we had it here. We plan on buying another one for our room, but we just haven't gotten to it yet. These are also the posters that I told you guys I wanted to put over there in the living room, that we just need to buy frames. So that's that. And then this is our restroom over here. So the restroom is honestly really, really big. My husband has his pomades and stuff over here, cologne, hairspray. You know, he's a big fan of Suavecito. He loves, loves, loves that brand. We have lotion, soap. Yeah, just this is my side. If you guys want to see like what is it, like a makeup tour? I don't know, I wouldn't call it a tour. But if you guys just want to see like all of my makeup stuff, then let me know. I'll show you guys all of my makeup. I have all of my makeup in here. Down here we just have, you know, toilet paper, whatever, necessities. In here we have our the blow dryer, my curling iron, straightener, all of that stuff. And then in here my husband has all of his colognes. And over here we have our shower. This is our shower curtain. And then we have our closet. Our closet is actually really, really spacious. Let me show you guys. So this is on my side. I have shoes up there, hats, my beret, beanie, all of my clothes, my headbands. Then I have some more shoes up there, down there, I'm sorry. And then up here, I just have all of like my sandals. This is a pile of all of my shorts, my summer clothes. And then my husband's side has those little Funko Pops that he collects, his clothes. He has shoes down there, shoes up here. And then over here, he has this little collection of like cups. These are popcorn buckets, I believe. He's a big superhero fan, so yeah, we have all of that. And that's about it for the closet. That's actually about it for the whole apartment tour. So yeah, these apartments are actually really, really spacious. We can fit a lot of stuff in here. Yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for the apartment tour. Like I said, these apartments are super, super spacious. We have like a lot of room left over to put more stuff if we wanted to. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm gonna leave some links down in the bottom bar in case you guys are interested where I bought any of the stuff. You guys can go check that out. And yeah, just be on the lookout for my next video, which is the beauty favorites. And also, if you guys want to see a whole like tour, I guess, of all of the makeup that I own, go ahead and also let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But other than that, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.